just wake up one day and... Damn it, I can't see again! If there is a beauty category I would choose as number one for me, it would probably be my hair. I definitely spend the most money on this in total, and I think it's one of the best ways for people to express themselves. I had numerous hair colors and styles throughout the years, and each time it felt like starting a new chapter of my life in some ways. Going to a breakup? Haircut. New season is coming? Haircut. Going for a wedding? Haircut. Basically every other week for me, haircut, because my hair grows so fast. The trans propaganda is pushed by hairdresser lobbyists. Now, to be fair, me having bangs doesn't really help with the growth problem, but this is the style I like. So unless I'm fine living half my life in CinemaScope, I do have to visit the hairdresser quite frequently. And one such time before my birthday and going to all kinds of places was today. Huh? And I can't even see the prices! Picture this. You walk into a hair salon hoping to get a simple trim or fresh new style. You sit down in that swiveling chair and suddenly the prices start creeping up like the mushrooms from Mario. Before you know it, you're paying more for a haircut than you did for that brand new game console you've been eyeing. And they will upsell you on anything, worse than any EA microtransaction you've ever seen. That shampoo won't even give you a sense of pride and accomplishment. Now, I'm not one to say that haircuts don't require skill and expertise, but here's the thing. When did a simple trip to the hair salon become a luxury experience that breaks the bank? It's like going to a restaurant and having to mortgage your house just to afford a plate of spaghetti. It's madness, I tell ya. In this economy, I don't even have money to pay my scriptwriters, so the past minute was entirely written by ChatGPT. But this has to stop today. I went out of my way to build my own keyboard. Which video will come soon, so subscribe. And I really would just accept paying up to 100 euros every time I go for just a simple cut and maybe a dye. No! Me, who was able to achieve such feasts as getting to the minus world in Mario, becoming the best Valorant player, and getting rid of my demons who kept telling me I can't pronounce the word verse? No. I won't settle for that. And above all of them, most importantly, it would make a great content. We have the hair dye. I also got some hairdresser stuffs. And this is just to protect my piercings because I'm not very careful. What do you want with that? That hair dye won't do anything to you. You want some haircuts? Just like... I'm almost ready. I'm gonna be honest, I think cutting the hair is the harder part. Like dyeing it shouldn't be super hard, you just like put on stuff and the stuff just sticks in, I guess. So from the sides, I honestly don't want to cut too much. So I bought thinning scissors and it should be enough to just like get rid of most of those. Mine coming. And this one. Okay, so we're gonna learn it together from YouTube. This is a great content, nothing can go wrong. How do I open the scissors without a scissor? And now it's actually time for some haircut. I'm not gonna have my glasses on. It's gonna make everything harder because I literally can't see without my glasses. So what you wanna do is like separate your hair from the other. Make sure everything is in here. Like these long ones, just try to slowly get rid of them. So these little clips come in handy. There are a few like tiny bit longer little bang parts, but that's not gonna be a problem. Next step, spray it. You have to spray it with water. Make this whole thing wet. Okay. I look like a dog. Then you have to grab your flat iron, go through it a few times. Now that it's heated up, I can smell the burning hair. Make sure you steam out the whole thing. Don't let it be like a little wet. If you're trying to cut wet hair, it's gonna be an absolute disaster because it's obviously gonna pull down the hair. You kind of like measure it to your eyebrows, and whenever it gets dry, just boom. So you shouldn't really do anything to your bangs while it's like not fully dry just yet. I think it's dry now. It's super dry. I need some masaki. You know, that's super dry. That was a joke. Did you guys get it? Okay, next part. You have to like divide it into 3 parts. Obviously, it's gonna be in a triangle. And if you have learned maths, you would know that coming out from here, but if you want it to be like flat, this part has to travel this distance, and this part has to travel this triangle rules. Like, this part has to be a little bit longer than the middle. I am so afraid right now. I did it! And I think it's fine. Didn't do much. This length should be fine. As for the sides, since the side is gonna like kind of slide, I guess, do not hold it straight, but like in a little bit of an angle. It's like this, you know? And that's good. Look at this. I think that's good. Okay, so how is it? Okay, maybe a little bit more from here. Wow, that's actually good. I am quite impressed with myself. Look at this, it's actually great. I'm liking this. We have to get out the thinning scissors. I have seen hairdressers use this all the time. It's like, but I'm pretty sure it's not that easy. Or is it that easy? It feels so wrong, oh my god. I'm definitely thinning in my bangs because that is the part when it's like the most annoying. I'm gonna be a lot more brave in here. So much hair. This is my package. Oh, that's my package. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go back to the hairdresser salon. So weird. Like, I have so much hair. That's basically like a cat worth of hair, and it still looks like I have a lot more left. Thank you, hormones, for giving me not just the cost of hormones, but like plus 100 euros every month for hairdressers. But not anymore. Not anymore. I am free now from capitalism. Okay, I think it's about done. It looks great. You guys wanna see how much hair I just cut? Look at this thing. It's like literally, it could be like some cat toy or something. Now, I'm done with the haircut. Well, now comes the second part of this video, which is the hair dye. It looks a little bit bluish. I think on mine it's gonna look more black. I want black, but I didn't want to have like a pure black. This is like a little cooler. I have never dyed my own hair, even though I had like 6 colors so far, if not more. Oh my god, somebody text! We have like a little, how do you call this thing? Like hand condom. Gloves. I need to put on my hand condoms. Jesse, it's time to die. Put number 1 into number 2. And this is number 1, so we should just put contents of this one into here. Is it how it is? Why is it yellow? I feel like I'm being scammed here. Do you guys see it? Why does it look like piece? Not a healthy piece, but a piece nonetheless. Now you should shake it up. Shake it up. How long do you need to shake this? Wait a second. Until it's fully dissolved. If this is not dissolved, I don't know what it is. Next step, we have to apply it. Oh wait, I should probably use like some clothes that are like bad. I'm gonna bring some trash clothes here. It's pretty trash, right? I also have like one of these. So basically just put the in your hair. Okay, cool. I should start like somewhere here, and from there just go on to other places. So let's freaking start it. It's gonna be very hard not seeing. I mean, that's the good thing about black though. Even if it goes bad, like what's the worst thing that can happen? Buy another shot and just do it again. Okay, oh, it's turning bluish. Oh, I feel it on my neck, I feel it on my neck. I would kind of like a more blackish color. I don't dislike it. That didn't fell. I think it got everywhere. I'm gonna wash those down and wait 40 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 40 minutes. So what I'm doing, just absolutely the normal nail polish remover. Look at this. It does wonders. Is it good for your skin? Probably not. Don't try this at home. I have absolutely no idea if it's healthy or not. See you in 40 minutes. It is time to wash it off. A lot of color is coming out. After I washed down most of the hair dye, I went into the bath and had an actual bath. I used my shampoo like 2 times until literally everything came out, and then put on the conditioner. So after all of those, it is done. It turned out to be more blue than black, if I'm being honest. The bangs are so good too. Like, I swear to God, this is one of the best bangs I've ever had. Every time a hairdresser made it, they kinda screwed it up. So in the future, I'm just gonna do my own hair because it seems like a good idea. I don't know how to bleach though, and I don't even think it's possible to do at home. But just for a normal dye and a little haircut, this is so good. This is absolutely perfect for me. Make sure to subscribe because I have some video ideas, and maybe I'm actually gonna make them one day. So I was Tina, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!